Hello, my name is Jeremy.Orlando, and I'm here. I'm going to show you the new 3220 SAG Attitude. Follow me inside and we'll go through some of the features. Okay, walking through this Attitude, a couple things I want to point out. This is the 3220, so that symbolizes 20 foot of garage space, designed really to carry all the new side-by-sides on the market. So this open floor plan is really what people are desiring right now in the market. It is going to fit your Razor turbos or your Yamahas or the Can-Am Maverick. Whatever you have, it's going to fit in here. And starting in the back, you do have the full bed. Some of the other units might be shortened up, but this does have the full-size bed, as well as the folding chairs on the bottom that you can put the dinette table in between to give you that additional family seating for dinner. But those will fold over also into a nice bed, which gives you a lot of sleeping for the family. Beautiful chairs here, comfortable, nice to sit in. This really does make for a great living space when the toys are finally removed and pulled out. And as we turn over here, you also have the couch with a full table if you prefer, eating at the couch rather than at a full dinette and setting all that up. With the slide out, which in the slide out has a spot on the bottom of the floor to lift up to maximize that carrying capacity and cargo space for the toys that are going to be in here. So Attitude is all focused on toy haulers. That's what they do. Beautiful, deep sink kitchen in the kitchen. It's perfectly set up for what you're going to need. With the microwave, with the stove, with the oven, has all the stuff, and a nice TV above the refrigerator. So really you just need to come down and see this unit and see how the toys are going to fit in it, and it gives you everything that you're going to need to maximize that 20 foot of space to use that garage space. If you follow me up into the bedroom area, you're going to see the full walk around set up for that nice sleeping area as well. So this has everything that you would need in a toy hauler and more. Going to be easy to tow. It's just the perfect unit for the people going out to play. Thank you for looking around the 3220 SAG Attitude with me. My name is Jeremy.Orlando. My contact information is 541-914-3693. Call me with any questions you have on this unit or anything else on the lot.